Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LuvNailsNicole, and thank you guys for stopping back by my channel to watch today's video. So if you guys are my original subscribers and you watch my videos every post I make, then you would have seen the video that I posted recently, my walk down the nail aisle with me at Sally Beauty Supply. So when I was there that day, this is what I picked up. Y'all, I've never gotten anything in a paper bag like this. Well, especially from Sally's, they usually give plastic bags. So yeah, I got a paper bag, but I only got a few little things, but I just want to share with you guys what I picked up from there that day, and I have a few other things that I want to share with y'all too, but I'm going to start with what I got at Sally Beauty. Alright, so something I'm surprised that I did not have is nail polish thinner. So I finally went ahead and grabbed some when I was there. It is by Beauty Secrets, nail polish thinner, and it says restores polish consistency. And with all the polishes that I have, I've been needing this forever. I don't know why I haven't picked it up by now, but this is something that I can really use. It says that you just add a few drops to nail polish and shake well, and then test the polish on a nail if necessary, or add more thinner until it reaches desired consistency. So I'll definitely be trying this out on some of my older polishes that aren't really moving anymore. And I'm wondering if this will work with Seche Vite. If you guys use Seche Vite, the fast dry, you know, when it gets down to the bottom of the bottle, the Seche Vite gets really thick and gooey and stringy. So I'm wondering if you can use this in clear polish. I don't know. If y'all know, leave a comment below. The other thing I picked up was these cute little tweezers. I was already done shopping. I was in line and I seen these at the front counter on like a display, and they were only power off. It's my speaker just went off. But they were only 99 cents. So they had this one, which I thought was cute. I don't know what that says in cursive there. Wrong or something, but isn't it super cute? She's got her little fashion going on, cute little outfit. So I thought I'd use this for like nail art or something. And then the only thing that I found on clearance that was worth getting was this file. It was just $1.50. And I like these. I have one, a green one, but this one is a super fine file. So I grabbed this. It was on the clearance table. And the other thing that I'm really excited about is this. I picked up these Jellish soft gel tips. It says up to 21 days of wear. But I don't know, it says use with Jellish soft gel LED system, which I don't think that you have to. I'm going to try it out with what I have. So I got the medium Coffin nails. There's 110 soft gel tips in here. And it says 10 of 11 perfect fit sizes. I love the size of the box. I like that it's not one of those really big boxes. This is really nice, easy to store. Let's see, open it. And it was only $7.99. I thought that was a good price. I'm gonna try to get one out. So you guys know I have those Beetles jelly full cover nails. So I wanted to try a different brand out with my gel glue and gel lamp. So that's why I picked these up. They have the number in the number is at the bottom. Let's see if I can show you guys. Can you see it right there? That's where the number, I've never seen that before. You can feel it on the inside here, but I mean, I guess that's fine because they'll be polished. So, but yeah, the number's at the bottom. Wow, these feel very strong. I can barely bend them. I can, right here, that's where they need to bend, but I'd like to test the top to make sure they're not too flexible and will break. I have some that are soft and they just split right down the middle of the nail. So yeah, I can't wait to try these out with my Beetles gel glue. And that's what I picked up from Sally's, just this little tiny little bit. This I ordered on Amazon. I was really surprised. Number one, that I found this for $2.99. Number two, I thought it was going to be much smaller and flimsier than it is. I did not think it was going to be like this at all. For $2.99, I just thought it was going to be really cheaply made. But it is to hold my electric nail file. It opens this way. But this is what the outside of it looks like. And this you can undo. Like if you work in a nail salon, you can put this around your waist and just like have your tools on the side of your hip. But I bought it because I just wanted to have something to store my electric nail file in. They had this case I was going to get at first. It was like 14 bucks. But when I saw this, I was like, $2.99. Let me see how this worked, because I'm thinking of putting my other electric file in something else. But oh, this looks okay. It has a zipper compartment here, and I thought it was going to be mesh out here too. I thought this was going to be on the outside, so I was really surprised to see that it was like this. I'm going to say faux leather, because I know it ain't real, honey. On the outside. So you got a zipper compartment here. You have a Velcro compartment here. You have this where you can put the drill, and these compartments here for the e-file itself, I'm assuming, because it's wider. And there's this, and then over here you have these two flaps with these areas right here where you can put your acrylic brush, cleanup brush, you know, cuticle, or you know, manicure tools or whatever. You can stick them down into here. And then there's another zipper compartment here where you can put like drill bits or sanding bits or whatever you want to put in there. So for $2.99, I thought this was really cool. I went back to see if there was any more left. There was, but they went up on the price. I can't remember what it was. I'll go take a look and see, and I'll put it on the screen. But they did go up on the price, but I'll still leave this in my description box in case you guys are interested and you would like to order one for yourself. I'm gonna grab my file and we'll test it out, put it in here, and see how it fits. This is the box my file is in now, the box that it came in. Let's test it out and see.
Cord, plug, this,
and this, of course, I'm not going to put in there because, I mean, it's not going to fit in there anyway. It's the cradle, but it also has the drill bits in it. So, let's see. So, I'm guessing, I probably need to charge this, but this will go here. Added protection, maybe that won't really fit, but I would put this here, and you guys see, put this behind here. Put this down in here. This goes on the side to hold the file. Put that down there. I'll put this here. For now, I'll put the cord there, but I might move that to put something else. That's just basically with just my electric fowel in it. I'm going to maybe put like some sanding bits in here too, or like, I don't know, some things that I use with this only I'll keep in here. That's a bit better. So, ooh, I didn't think about closing it with all this right here. Let's see, how it should. May not go all the way. But the only thing is, though, how I'm going to keep it closed. I wonder if there's any way I can take this. I don't think it was made to close, but I'm trying something here. Tighten it. I had to like flip it around and do it like that just so it could stay secure. Unless I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. I'll have to look online and see if they show them closing it, but I don't think it was made to close. Like I said, it was made for you to wrap around your waist, but still, this is pretty cool. I do like being able to have my drill in something. I think I'm still gonna get like the hard case for it just to keep it safe since this is soft. And then I have a few small e-files that I can probably switch this one out and put into here. But for now, I'm gonna keep this one in here. $2.99, not bad. Little holder. And then for the last thing, I picked these up at Dollar Tree, and I was thinking of decorating my gel lamp. Now, at first I had got these two. I couldn't find any pink, and when I went back another time, I found these pink ones, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use yet, but I wanted to decorate my gel nail lamp. This one, let me show you guys which one. I might even do my little mini one. I could put a couple of things on my little mini lamp. All right, so this is the one I'm thinking of decorating. And with the letters, I was either going to spell out LuvNailsNicole or subscribe, but there's letters on the front and the back. There's 88 total. And then I was thinking of putting it like around here, the back part somewhere or something. I don't know. And then just doing a little something around here, and maybe this part putting the little gem stickers on it somewhere. I might only use these. I'm not sure yet. But when I do, I am going to record and show you guys how I do it and how it turns out. So make sure you have your post notifications on so you guys will know when I upload new videos. Make sure you're subscribed if you are new, and if you are new, thank you so much for watching today. And if you subscribe, thank you. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. That is it, my little small mini Sally Hansen's haul, Amazon and Dollar Tree. All right, y'all, that's it. See you guys in the next one.